You are watching a monthly Billboard Row update from Sunset Strip in West Hollywood. Who knows what it is? Pineapple Express, Love Factory. That's who is tonight. Of course, this is Netflix. Stranger Things. 3 billboards. Here is some kind of Tana Toons 21. She's here since last Billboard update. She could be already 22 since then. I was told by comments that this vertical billboard that has Apple products always used to be a Marlboro Man. Now it's more diversity, but always Apple products. Adult Swim, black sign, strange. HBO, Our Boys. Here's some kind of medical series. TNT. August 14. Blinded by the Lights. It's in theaters probably. Here is Body Shop, Strip Bar, over 18. It means they don't serve alcohol, but they take off panties. Over there used to be HBO, now it's some kind of fashion. Okay. July 12th on Netflix. There was Women in Red Hats, now 2 guys. Comedians probably. Dalton, DiCaprio. Some kind of Netflix cartoon. Snowfall, Fox FX. Neon sign, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Finally billboards get neon before HBO. This is electronic, always NBC. Passing Andaz Hotel and Comedy Store. Comedy Store playing sports on TV. Ironic. Katana Restaurant. Fear of God, probably fashion. Lifetime Anti-Man channel. Lipstick at a Grove local shopping mall. This funny strange thing. Alright, fake Fast and Furious. And this is Comedy Central. There is Amazon Prime Video, and this is YouTube original, following some musician or something. I would rather stay home and a social club. Target store, and there's tickets on sale. Some kind of, I don't know what it is. Used to be Live Nation, like Ticketmaster. Alright. Apple Music on the left, on the right. Ray-Ban glasses. Passing Little Restaurant Row. Sunset Plaza, so called. Okay, Chin Chin Chinese restaurant. Another Apple Music billboard on the left. It makes it 3 already. Chain smokers in Wynn Las Vegas hotel. This is the longest lasting billboard on this strip, I think. Some kind of cockroaches eating food. Showtime. Hawkins at Strangers Think again, according to your comments. Star Court is the shopping mall inside that city. Hawkins City. And also they changed Tower of Records, or what it's called, into Star Court Mall. It was open on July 4 weekend. People would walk in there. So that mall is from City of Hawkins, from Stranger Things. Okay, another DiCaprio billboard. This is Virgin Jane passing Whiskey a Go-Go. Some motorcycle gang. Euphoria HBO, always HBO on this wall. And that vertical is always Apple Music, so it makes 4 Apple Music billboards. Concert venue Roxy and Rainbow Rock and Roll Bar. Ray-Ban sunglasses or glasses. Beats, watch now. Alright. Terror AMC. One more Netflix billboard. Who knows what it is? That one is some kind of alcohol with ice cubes. And we usually make a U-turn after this traffic light. CNN movies. It's a mystery. Girls just wanna have fun or whatever. What's up with those banana pants everywhere now this week? This is bell pants. Alright. That's where we're gonna make it. U-turn. 3-point turn. Blind Dragon restaurant finally open. Usually it's empty. 68 degrees, so they run that heater. That's some kind of movie about the kitchen. And some more Hawkins billboards. That HBO whole wall didn't change. Still here. It was full moon a few days ago. Almost full. Shrinking a little bit. Waiting for the green light. There are some guitars inside it. You see that one guitar has chest with knife pierced through it on a picture. It's probably mimicking some celebrity's guitar, I don't know who, of course. Green light, please. We have a tour to do. So this is the guitar with knife. Alright. Gas on the left. Star Court cart. Not Star Court Mall. Okay. Day in Vegas yesterday. close up. One more guitar over here. Two iPhone pictures, billboards. That one is taken on a tour by iPhone. And this one also taken on a tour. Some musician probably. Taking rest and smoking. Safari, San Diego Zoo, Australians, Hustler store, more Stranger Things billboards, Starcourt. Is this also from Starcourt? What? Marshmallow on YouTube Music. That one controlled dose marijuana product or something. Crossing Restaurant Row again. They took away valet parking umbrella. Le Petit Four. People studying menu. Talking. Oh, only one guy eating. They sell. I know what they sell there in that restaurant. Nobody has food ever. Alright. This is Snapchat, I think. I have to focus because otherwise it's not readable. Lion King still here, July 19. Oh, basically today. Let me take a thumbnail. So we passed some Ray-Ban glasses advertising. July 17, USA channel. Yesterday it's a movie, I guess. Showtime. NBC. Dora the movie. This is Peroni beer, I guess. Showman's. Who knows what it is? Lifetime again. All access local CBS. It's competing with Netflix. Brands. Who knows what it is? Another Leonardo DiCaprio on a wall of the hotel. Sweet and Bitter Stars channel. Sunset Tower Hotel. Nice looking billboard. Is it fashion or what? Once Upon a Time in Hollywood or what? Neon billboards. Brad Pitt movie. Ugliest billboard. St. Laurel. Again. Prada. Marvin Schwartz, is it fashion? Bruce Lee. Perry Scott. Perry gets its actor. 90210 on Fox, local Fox 11. Stranger Things. Again. Polo, it's fashion. And those three, also Stranger Things on Netflix. Good Boys rated R. You must be this tall to see this movie. Looks like comedy. Sausage Party. Yeah. Definitely comedy. Okay, we are back to La Factory. YouTube originals. Some kind of music probably. And this is Orange is New Black, Netflix. Alright, thank you for checking the update. See you the next month on Sunset Strip, Miss Hollywood.